Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech G515 Lightspeed TKL wireless gaming keyboard. This compact device is designed for gamers seeking high performance and a clean desktop. It combines a sleek, low-profile design with versatile connectivity options, including Logitech's ultra-fast Lightspeed wireless technology. You can choose between tactile or linear GL mechanical switches to match your preferred typing and gaming feel. This keyboard is engineered for speed and precision. The G515 TKL showcases a minimalist and robust design. Its tankulus layout means no number pad, providing more room for mouse movements during intense gaming sessions. The keyboard is built with a solid plastic chassis and includes sound-dampening layers for a quieter typing experience. It also features high-quality double-shot PBT keycaps, which are known for their durability and resistance to shine over time. The slim profile, at just 22 millimeters, adds to its sleek aesthetic. Performance is where the G515 TKL truly shines. Its Lightspeed wireless technology ensures a lightning-fast 1 millisecond report rate, crucial for competitive gaming. The low-profile GL mechanical switches, with their quick 1.3mm actuation, offer rapid response times. You can enjoy extended gaming sessions with up to 36 hours of battery life, even with the vibrant LightSync RGB lighting active. Furthermore, Logitech G Hub software allows extensive customization, including programming up to 15 functions per key. So, is the Logitech G515 Lightspeed TKL the right keyboard for you? If you prioritize a compact, low-profile design without sacrificing gaming performance, then absolutely. Its reliable Lightspeed wireless, impressive 36-hour battery life, and choice of GL mechanical switches make it a strong contender. The robust build quality, customizable RGB lighting, and advanced software features ensure a premium and personalized gaming experience. It's a versatile keyboard built for serious play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.